My name is Cristian D'Adamo. I'm head of operation of Italgas Reti from Italy. Italgas is the major gas distribution company of Europe, is based in Italy and has operations in both Italy and Greece. In 2025, we completed the acquisition of Reti Gas, which was the second Italian largest operator, and now we are integrating this entity in one single gas company. We brought here to the AUTOMA Congress our experience in data-driven approach, which is deeply changing and transforming our way we do operations. And this transformation involves every aspect of our company in different processes, creating a unique digital environment in which every aspect of our everyday life is impacted. For example, we have a clear application of what does it mean a data-driven approach in predictive maintenance, in network operation, but also beyond operation. We have application in fraud detection, revenue protection, and also field crew management, how we change the everyday life and work of our people who make operations every day on our infrastructure. This has been the main topic that we addressed in this conference in these days in Amsterdam. I strongly believe that digitalization is not only a matter of technology, it's a matter of how you want to build and create a sustainable process along your organization, and involves also processes, people, skills, and at 360 degrees the whole company. We gave some practical examples of what does it mean to us to be fully digitalized. For example, we applied digitalization to all our processes, starting from the asset management to the capex allocation, smart maintenance, fraud detection, and also field crews management. I think that AUTOMA is a powerful platform to exchange information among industry, service providers, innovation, and IT companies. So I think that is a unique environment to put together these experiences, networking, and be able to catch the best opportunities from technologies, from other experiences in the gas sector. For sure, we had the opportunity to have networking with other companies, sharing best practices, and also I come back with some insights on what are the main trends of the industry, which can further stimulate our process of innovating our business.